Is affiliate marketing right for my product? Will it even sell through an affiliate program? Stick with me for a minute and I'll answer this question for you. When it comes to figuring out whether an affiliate program is the right way to sell your product or service, there are two things you need to consider: demand and medium. Let's talk about the demand. Here you want to answer the question of whether there is market for your product or service or not. Consider such things as your customer-facing value proposition, your competitive advantages, and also gauge the opportunity based on what you see happening in the market or not happening in the market. Then move on to the second question, that of the medium. Here answer two sub-questions. One, whether people shop for your product online and buy it online. Yes, there are offline ways to market through affiliates, through pay-per-call and unique codes, but primarily affiliate marketing happens online. And the second sub-question is whether there are competitors or immediately related merchants that sell this product online. Yes, it will be good to analyze whether they have affiliate programs or not, but the primary question is whether this sells online or not. So while figuring out whether affiliate marketing is right for your product or not, the two big questions to answer are the question of demand and the question of the medium. If the answers to both of these are affirmative, there is demand for your product, and the medium is right, then affiliate marketing is likely going to work for your product or service. You may also want to review my video on how to start an affiliate program, and if you've liked this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel.